Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss in this video which is about how to fix yellow screen on any iPhone. How to fix this problem? I will request to my all friends uh, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. So press the bell icon for new tech video. So do not waste any time. So that first of solution, you turn off true tone. So open the setting and then click on display and brightness, then you click on true tone, turn on and off, and then first solution. Then second solution, you again open the setting and then click on display and brightness and then click on night shift, then you manually enable tomorrow turn and off turn on and off, and schedule you must be you want on and off, uh, and then you must be low power mode is on, then go to battery and then click on low power mode is turn on, should be turn on low power mode, and then you will be disable the auto brightness, display brightness, and then you will be fix the auto brightness. Oh sorry, you open the accessibility display and then auto brightness is turned off, and then other solution, update the iPhone. You open the setting and then click on general and then software update, and you update iOS on your iPhone, and then last problem, last solution 100% fix this problem. You open the accessibility and then click on display text size, then you open the color filters, then color filter is turned off, and then you go back and then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and this fix problem 100% working. You must be show the guideline step by step, do not miss any step, and then not fix this problem. You have must be show the step by step and guide.